Example 3, we're asked to change 15% to a fraction. And just like I said, 15% is equal to 50%, is equal to 50 divided by 100, which is equal to 10 will cancel. 5 into itself is 1. 5 into 10 is 2. That is equal to 1 over 2, or a half. Example 4, we are asked to change a 30% to a fraction. 30%, like we all know, is said to be equal to 30 divided by 100. And if 10 is to divide, it gives you 3 over 10. And 3 over 10 is said to be in its lowest form, as no other factor can divide 3 and 10. Now, we have 3 whole number 2 over 5% to be written as a fraction. All you need to do is to, first of all, okay, let's still follow the same method. This is said to be 3 whole number 2 over 5 divided by 100. So this is equal to, I'm going to express the numerator as an improper fraction. And how do you convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction? You multiply the base by the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. So this gives us the new numerator. This is said to be 15 plus 2 is 17. So we have 17 divided by 5 or divided by 100 over 1. Okay, so when you simplify this, you now change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And when you do that, you have to invert the next term. So this is equal to 17 divided by 5 times 1 over 100. So this is equal to 17 divided by 500. As a fraction, this is said to be in its lowest term, as there is no factor that can divide 17 and 500. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While we recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on complex percentages to fractions. We are asked to change the following to fractions: 55%. And I told you that 55% can be expressed as 55 divided by 100. Both of them are multiples of 5. So 5 can divide 55 and 100. 5 into 55 is 11 times. 5 into 10 is 2 times. And into 0 is 0. This is equal to 11 divided by 20. And this is the lowest, as no other factor can divide. 3.5%. 3.5% is expressed as 3.5 divided by 100. Now you express the numerator, which is 3.5, as an improper fraction. This becomes 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, which is 7 divided by 2 divided by 100 over 1, which can be written as 7 over 2 times 1 over 100. So when next I have a fraction, all I will do is just to multiply that fraction when converted to improper fraction by 1 over 100. So this is equal to 7 divided by 200. And I doubt if there's any common factor between 7 and 200. So this is your answer. Number 3. This is said to be 9¾ divided by 100. This can be said to be equal to 9¾ as an improper fraction. We have 4 times 3 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So we have 39 over 4 times 1 over 100. This is equal to 39 divided by 400. And there is no common factor that can divide 39 and 400. 85% is said to be 85 over 100. And 5 can divide. 5 into 8 is 1, remainder 3. This becomes 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7, remainder 0. 5 into 10 is 2, into 0 is 0. So the answer is said to be 17/20, as no other factor can reduce it further. 95% is equal to 95 divided by 100, and 5 can divide. 5 into 9 is 1, remainder 4. 5 into 45 is 9 times, divided by 5 into 10 is 2, into 0 is 0. So 45% as a fraction can be said to be 19 divided by 20. Question 6. We have 7 whole number 2/5%. This can be expressed as 7 2/5 divided by 100, which is equal to, you express the numerator as an improper fraction. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is 37 divided by 5 times 1/100, which is equal to 37 divided by 500. And nothing else can simplify it further. So this is equal to 35 times 3 will give us 105. 105 plus 1 is 106. So this is 106 divided by 3 times 1/100, which is equal to 106 divided by 300. 2 can divide. 2 into 10 is 5. Remainder nothing. 2 into 3. 2 into 6 is 3. Divided by 2 into 3 is 1. Into 10 is 5. Into 0 is 0. So we have 53 divided by 150. And nothing else can simplify this. 84%, this is equal to 84 divided by 100. And when you reduce it to its lowest term, this is equal to, what can go? 4 can divide. 4 into 8 is 2. 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 100 is said to be 25. So our answer is said to be equal to 21/25 as a fraction. For question number 9, this is equal to 33 2/3 over 100, which is said to be equal to 33 times 3 is said to be 99. 99 plus 2 is 101. 101 divided by 3 times 1 divided by 100. So when you simplify this, this is said to be equal to 101 divided by 300. And I doubt if there's any factor that can simplify this further. Question 10, we have 63.5%. This is said to be 63.5 divided by 100, which is equal to 63.5. When you convert it to improper fraction, is said to be 63 times 2 is 126 plus 1, that is 127, divided by 2 times 1/100. This is equal to 127 divided by 200. And I doubt if there is any term that can divide both 127 and 200. Question number 11. This is 7 whole number 5/6%. This can be written as 7 5/6 divided by 100, which is equal to 7 times 6 is said to be 42. 42 plus 5, that will be 47. So you have it as 47 divided by 6 times 1/100, which is equal to 47 divided by 600. And this is your answer as fraction. Question 12. This is said to be 28.5 divided by 100. Percentage means you have to divide by 100. This is equal to 28 times 2 that should be 56. 56 plus 1 is 57. So you have 57 divided by 2 times 1 over 100, which is equal to 57 divided by 200. So as a fraction, 28.5% is equivalent to 57 over 200. Question 13. Question 13, we have 8 whole number 1 over 4%, which is 8 1 over 4 divided by 100. Expressing the numerator as an improper fraction, you have 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. So we have 33 divided by 4 times 1 over 100, which is equal to 33 divided by 400. And I doubt if there is any factor that can still reduce 33 and 400 to their lowest term. And we have question number 14 is said to be 37%, which is 37 divided by 100. And there is no factor that can reduce it to its lowest term. So I shall leave question number 15 for you to do as an assignment. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. I also recommend that you share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now look at changing percentages to decimal.